Welcome to Unit 2, The Giver. Everyone should have a copy of the book, The Giver, which will be our focus of Unit 2. First off, I will give you an outline for the next few weeks. Week 1, you will be reading pages 1 through 46. You will be writing a writing assignment, Utopias versus Dystopias, and you will be doing some vocabulary. Week 2, same thing. Read pages 47 through 92. Writing assignment, My Future Job, vocabulary. Week 3, read pages 93 through 132. Here you will sign up for your group project, Personal Utopia. You will begin your Personal Utopia project outline and vocabulary. Week 4, you will begin your final assessment, your vocabulary. Your Personal Utopia project outline is due. Week 5, Personal Utopia project, your final assessment. Here in red, you find that your final assessment is due on Tuesday, October 13th. And your book versus movie book review is due Friday, October 16th. Now I will go over your writing assignments. You have a total of 3. Both your writing assignments must be turned at 11:59 p.m. No exceptions. Must be in MLA format, double space, 12-inch margins. Include your first and last name, date, and title. For your first writing assignment, which is due Friday, September 11th at 11:59, you will be writing a 5 to 7 paragraph essay explaining the differences between a utopian and dystopian society. Writing assignment number 2, which is due September 18th. Same time, 11:59 p.m. Your future job. In a 5 to 7 paragraph essay explaining what your future job will look like, where do you see yourself working, how much money do you make, etc. Your final writing assignment, which is due on October 16, you will write a 10 to 12 page paragraph essay, which you will compare and contrast the book and the movie, which you will be watching at your own time. Now for vocabulary. You will follow the model that I have provided here. You will choose a word, you will define the word, and you're going to use that word in a sentence. You're going to choose a total of 10 words per week for a total of 40 words at the end. They are due on Friday, September 11th, Friday, September 18th, Friday, September 25th, and Friday, October 2nd at 11:59 p.m. No exceptions. For your Personal Utopia project, you will be creating your own utopian community. You must include information regarding government, education, family and recreation, who is allowed to be a part of your community, why, what laws exist, what constitutes as a family in your community, what recreational activities are there. Remember to use your imagination. Be sure to include a name for your community. Here, in this tab up here, you will be given an opportunity to choose your group members. No more than 3 per group. Write their name, their contact information, and a link to your project so I could keep up with you. For your final assessment, you have 4 options. You will be writing a 4 to 5 page paper on your understanding of the theme, character, plot, setting, and symbolism, or a unit exam which consists of 50 multiple choice questions, 2 response questions, or a PowerPoint presentation on your understanding of the theme, character, plot, setting, and symbolism, or a video presentation on your understanding of the theme, character, plot, and symbolism. If we click on home, here you will see a quick summary of The Giver. If you're interested in further reading, we have Gathering Blue, Messenger, Sun, which are all part of the quartet for The Giver. And of course, the movie that you will be watching. I have included a trailer of the movie. This is Unit 2, The Giver.